Good morning. I thought it was going to be just me today, but Raven decided to join me. She wasn't happy about being left out of the video. So OJ's doing another project, so I thought I would take some time to work on a decor project that I talked about way back. And I'm just going to show you. I have these old windows. I have two like this, and then I have a smaller one. And my plan is to put family pictures in the window panes and hang those on that wall that where we left the old siding on there. We had closed up a window in the front porch, and it's all painted now. I didn't show the finished painting, but it's all ready for these to be hung up. This window has all been, I've cleaned it, did a little bit of touch-up painting, but not much because I want it to look old. So I'm going to change the camera angle and show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so last, I think it was April, I actually went through all of our pictures when we were doing the decluttering and packing to move, and I sorted through and I picked out pictures for this project. So I have them all sorted. We have our oldest daughter, our next daughter there, and then our oldest son goes here, and then in the other window over there it'll be the next three boys, and then this smaller window. So this one is going to be, I'm not sure how I'm arranging it, but it'll be me and OJ and Danica. Danica might end up getting the biggest square of all, because this is what I have for windows. We actually gave away all of our, well, I do have one other window, but that's more for a collage of keepsakes from the house. All of the other windows we gave away. We probably could have found a use for them, but at the time we just needed to get some things cleaned up. So this is what I have left to work with. So I've got the pictures sorted, and I also went through the other day and I got some white paper that'll go on the back of each one. I need to attach all of the pictures to this, and then they will come in. This is showing the front, so they will be attached in the back. So I'm going to spend some time now getting all of these put on the backing, and then I will come back and show you. Hopefully it'll work. I'm not sure how I'm going to hold the pictures in. I have some cardboard. I'm going to see if that works, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to turn off the camera, get them organized, and then we'll be right back. And Raven's having a nap now. Okay, we're back. Right, Raven? So I've got all of the pictures, the collages made and put in here. And I have some cardboard. It doesn't fit perfectly, but I'm going to try and make it work. And all I have is paper tape. I don't have any masking tape. If I had masking tape, white tape, I'd tape around here. But I think if I put the green on, I might be able to put some on, but there's places where it may show through, and I don't really want green blotches. So we'll see. This looks pretty good here. I also don't want to make these permanent, because I'm hoping once my kids look at them, they'll realize how out of date their family pictures are, and they'll give us some new ones. Right, kids? Mm-hmm. Some more than others. Okay, I'm just going to see how that looks before I go any further. Raven, could you hold this for me? Can you hold that for me? Thank you. Ha! Well, that didn't work very well, did it? I forgot I hadn't taped that one. Okay. Oh, sorry, Raven. Sorry. I need to pick up my... We'll get this one in first, and then I'll pick up that one. Okay. Hoping this will hold it in better. I'm just going to finish putting the rest of these in here, and then I'll just show you. And then the next thing will be, OJ needs to figure out how to hang these on the wall. I'm not sure if we'll show that. Hopefully we will. I'll be right back. So it's all taped up, and now we'll see how it looks. The big reveal. There it is. Done. So, yes, our pictures are very out of date, kids. Like, well, some. We get more family pictures than others, so. We have kids who don't like to have pictures, or grandkids possibly, who do not like to have their pictures taken. But there it is. There's a few little bits of putty falling off, but once it's on the wall, it'll be fine. So that's my latest decor project. On to I was gonna say on to number 2 and number 3 window, but we don't have pictures to put in those. So maybe I'll put that on a Christmas wish list. Somebody give me pictures. And maybe we need to get a picture of us and Danica. So that's it for now. OJ is going to figure out a way to hang this up, and then we will show it to you on the wall. We will be back. So we decided the best way to put this up, or he decided, was to just screw it right to the wall and make it more stable. Don't break the glass.
Sorry.
Just don't break the glass while you do it. And
Yeah, I just need to get a little tape measure to.
Okay. That's better. I'm up high enough. That looks pretty level with the siding. Maybe up a tiny titch higher. There. Whoa, whoa, too high. Yep. Maybe right about there. Maybe. That's kind of scary watching you do that. There. One up.
Oh. Well, hurry up and get the other ones done.
I'm not ready. I'll get to them. Last one going up. It looks closer on this side than this side. Is it just an optical illusion?
It is, because you got 2 boards and 1 board.
Hang on.
I told you.
I wasn't questioning you.
Yeah, right.
Not my fault there's an optical illusion because of the boards. Maybe you'll need to put some paintable silicone in there so it doesn't look crooked.
It's alright, I have a little mark there.
I know, you planned this well.
There. Now
Done.
it's coffee time.
Another job done.
Coffee time.
Okay, coffee time.
No.
So eventually, those 2 will also be filled with pictures when I have them. They look kind of neat just the way they are. For now. Maybe I'll put some Christmas decorations in for this season. But that is it. Done.
Done.
Done. So much for just me and Raven.